Hi, this is Mark from Red Planet Project. Today we are setting off on a journey even farther than Mars. We're heading to one of the most fascinating places in the solar system, where beneath an icy shell, a mysterious ocean may be hiding secrets we can only imagine. Our destination is Europa, Jupiter's frozen moon, a world that has sparked the imagination of scientists and dreamers for decades. Could there, in the hidden depths, be another form of life waiting for us? Buckle up, because this is going to be an extraordinary journey. Europa isn't a planet, though it often feels like one when you see its immense size. It's one of Jupiter's largest moons, almost the size of our own moon. But instead of a rocky wasteland like the moon we know, Europa hides something completely different. Its surface is a thick layer of ice, fractured and broken like a massive frozen ocean, crisscrossed by thousands of cracks and ridges. These strange lines are no accident. Europa is constantly moving, squeezed and stretched by the immense gravitational pull of Jupiter. It's these tidal forces that fracture the ice and may hold the key to something far more important. Beneath that frozen shell, deep below the surface, there is an ocean that could be deeper than all of Earth's oceans combined. And it's not a small lake, it's a vast sea, a world unto itself, whose dark depths remain a mystery to us. A place where, in eternal darkness, under kilometers of ice, life might exist. Not life as we know it from Earth's sunlit surface, but life adapted to extreme conditions, where energy comes not from sunlight, but from the very heart of the planet. The thought that somewhere, down in those alien waters, unknown creatures could be swimming, sparks dreams of a second genesis of life within our solar system. But what makes this hidden ocean so extraordinary? First of all, it's not a frozen, lifeless place. Europa is alive. The interior of this moon is constantly in motion, thanks to the immense tidal forces from Jupiter. The giant planet's gravity squeezes and stretches Europa with such power that the surface ice fractures and the interior warms. This tidal heating may sustain the perfect conditions for liquid water beneath the ice, and even hydrothermal vents, similar to those that thrive at the bottom of Earth's oceans in total darkness. Here on Earth, entire ecosystems bloom around these vents, where bacteria, tube worms, and strange creatures convert chemical energy into life, needing no sunlight at all. Imagine the dark, deep ocean of Europa, where in absolute silence and pitch-black darkness, under vast domes and steel-hard layers of ice, unknown forms of life could be swimming, perfectly adapted to extreme conditions. Chemical analyses suggest that Europa's ocean might contain all the essential ingredients for life: hydrogen, oxygen, and organic compounds. Salts have also been detected on the surface, and some geysers shoot water particles directly into space, hinting that the ocean is active and dynamic. Even more incredibly, scientists estimate that there could be twice as much water beneath Europa's surface as in all of Earth's oceans combined. This place is not a barren desert. It could be a hidden world brimming with life, a world we have yet to discover. And that is exactly why Europa remains at the very top of our list in the search for life beyond Earth. Perhaps hidden under the ice beats the second heart of biological life in our solar system. Europa has captured the attention of scientists for decades, but it's only recently that we've begun to truly uncover its secrets. The first major clues that a hidden ocean might exist came from the Galileo spacecraft in the 1990s. As it flew past Europa, Galileo detected strange disturbances in the magnetic field, something that could only be explained by a salty, electrically conductive ocean beneath the ice. It was like opening a door to an entirely new world. But that wasn't all. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed something even more extraordinary: massive water geysers erupting from Europa's surface into space. Plumes of water vapor and ice particles shooting hundreds of kilometers above the icy shell. This means the ocean is not sealed off. It's active, dynamic, and connected to the surface. And that gives us an incredible opportunity. Instead of drilling through kilometers of ice, we could simply fly through the geysers and study their composition, searching for signs of life. That's exactly one of the main goals of the Europa Clipper mission. Launched in 2024, it will perform dozens of close flybys of Europa, some at altitudes as low as 25 kilometers, closer than airplanes fly over Earth. Clipper will analyze the chemistry of the ejected particles, map the ice shell, and look for biomarkers. What we discover could forever change our understanding of life in the universe. But the ambitions don't stop there. Future missions are being planned to drill through Europa's icy crust and send robotic submarines into the ocean below. Imagine the first images sent back from the depths of Europa, where instead of barren rock, we see shimmering, mysterious creatures drifting in the dark waters. This vision drives scientists, dreamers, and all of humanity to reach further than we ever have before. Now imagine we actually reach Europa. What would we find? The surface of the moon is a frozen wasteland, with temperatures plunging to -160 degrees Celsius. No atmosphere Mayahi best-designed spacesuits would need to shield against constant bombardment by energetic particles. But beneath the icy crust, everything changes. The ice acts as a natural shield against radiation, and in the hidden ocean, stable conditions could exist. It's there, under hundreds of meters of ice, that we could one day build the first human bases. Enclosed habitats submerged in black water, illuminated by artificial light, powered by their own energy sources and producing their own oxygen. The real challenge would be the journey through the ice. We would have to drill through kilometers of frozen water, facing temperatures and pressures that could easily crush our equipment. It's a task that demands technology we don't yet possess. But if we ever succeed, we might find more than just rocks and ice. We might find organisms that evolved in complete isolation, creatures that have never seen the light of the stars, life forms that could finally answer humanity's greatest question. Are we alone in the universe? And now a question for you. If you had the chance to join the first mission beneath Europa's icy crust, knowing you would dive into the darkest depths of space, would you dare? Would you plunge into an ocean so distant and mysterious that the very thought gives you chills? Write your answer in the comments. Thanks for joining today's journey, and see you in the next episode of redplanetproject.nes. That every step would be a battle for survival, and Jupiter's intense radiation could kill an unprotected human within a few hours. Even T.